Welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this lecture, we are going to focus on functions. So in data science, there are some functions that are normally used often. Every time you have to import or you have to use that function when you're analyzing your data in data science. These main functions that are normally used, it's the mean, which is the average, the mean and the maximum, and the mean is for the smallest number available. So we have a maximum number, the minimum number, and the average. So these are max, mean, and mean as the average. Let us take a look. For example, we are analyzing a data. For example, let us say we're having an array. Okay. So let's say array is equals to numpy dot array. And in this array is having 50, 20, 90, 70, 10, 3, and 100. This is the array that we are having. So when you are having this array now, you can check within the array what is the minimum value you are having, the maximum value, and the mean. For example, we can trace this by saying array dot max. Okay, then we can run our code. So the maximum value there is 100, and we can say also array dot the minimum value there. You can see the minimum value is 3, and also we can say array dot mean value here. Then we run, we can see the mean value, the average. After adding everything, then we divide by the total number. Here we get an average of 49. So these are the common aspects that are normally used. Okay, so what we can do now, as we can see that we have mean, max, and I still remember we have imported a data set which has to do with the students. Let us put it here. I still remember we have a data set. Let us call it data frame here. Dot head. Let us take only 5 fields. Okay, then this is the data set that we are having. So let us look for the minimum score of this column, of this variable, the minimum score, maximum, and the average. So what we can do here, let us say data frame, okay, then we call the variable which is math score. Then here we say dot mean. So we need the minimum score here. Let us run and see if we can obtain the minimum. So the minimum is 0, and also we need to check the maximum. Just copy this and paste it here. Then here let us type max. Let us run again. So the maximum score is 100. So we are checking on 1000 row. We are checking on all the data which is available on score. So remember, we have observation which are 1000 observation. Okay, so we are checking the minimum score, and we are checking the maximum score which is 100. And now let us paste again, and let us check the mean, the average out of all. Let us run again here. The average is 66%. So I think this is the basic overview of the functions that are normally used in data science and how you can analyze your data using these functions. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.